In this clip, we're going to talk about shaping the bottom of our pot. It's important to compress the bottom of our pot and really define where the wall is and where the floor is. And that can help you to know where to hold your fingers. I'm going to come in here and use my finger to work inside out and outside in. Again, it's important to define where you're going to put your fingers. It is also very important to compress the clay. I always tell students to compress, compress, compress. We want to keep it nice and tight to avoid cracking. Here I have defined what is the floor of my pot and what is the wall of my pot. So I know where to hold my fingers when I try to pull the clay up. Also talk about compression. I want to keep my rim compressed too. It's very important to keep the clay nice and tight.